Okay then guys, to break up the routine, we're going to start in the front garden. These are the last of the flowers I've got left from the first batch, and they're mine. They'll be going in the birdies' beds pretty soon. Same as these broad beans, and same as these cabbages, and the celeriac will be going up the plot very soon. Second batch of flowers in there. Some are growing alright, some aren't. Ginger's having a break in the sun. Couple of herbs in there. Peas growing well. Some onions there. That's the Kelsey. Red spring onions down the centre there, and Utah Giants, I think they are. Utah Giant. In the birdie's bed down by the front door, the cucumbers having a bit of sun. Give it a good watering in a minute. And these two flats of tomatoes are the inverted commas common ones. One tray of Moneymaker, one tray of Gardener's Delight. And just behind me, I've got some cucumbers waiting to be picked up in a minute. Horseradish down there, and 4 or 5 plants, 5 plants of oca. And I'll put those, plant them out pretty soon. It looks dry, but it's heavy. Yeah, plant those out soon. Right, back garden. Annoyingly, some of the lupins have been slugged, so I had to resort to putting a few pellets down there. Beetroot in the shade here. Still nothing from any of the runner beans, dwarf beans or climbing beans. And there are plenty of those down there. That's been, I don't know, 9 or 10 days now. And the lupins up here and the shallots up here, they're doing okay. Sweet corn down here. Now one lot's growing. That is the Golden Gate. Nothing from the Swift. Oh yes, we are just started today. That wasn't there yesterday. More beetroot. More sweet corn. Beetroot. Brassicas and all sorts more beetroot. Right, those strawberries, they'll be going in the tower, which I've cleaned out. They're going there soon. Leeks, they've got to go up very soon. Up the plot, sorry. Chilies, they're outside still. They're loving it out here. Let's get out the sun, let's get the shadow. Loads of herbs potted up the other day. And finally, SSPCs are sprouting. Yeah, like I say, nothing from these dwarf beans at all. I keep looking every day and rearranging them. And the little green things that you think, yeah. Oh no, it's a leaf off the blooming tree. Got some more herbs over there. More herbs over there. The chives. Despite the second sowing, there's still only the perennial ones in the centre growing. Tomatoes, the S is for sale. Some more chilies, basket of fire, fuchsias, couple more cucumbers. Again, they've been nibbled with slugs. Another basket of fire up here, quite needs watering. Most of the flowers are up now. Yep, just that one there. Let's have a quick look what that is. Columbine, not up yet. Loads of different squashes down there. Nothing from them, because they were only sown yesterday. Yeah, all that lot. More peppers. The borage has just started appearing today. Swiss chard, bright lights. A couple of straggler tomatoes in plugs still. They're just there as my reserves. 96, 97, that's kale. Got to put that celery on soon. And the Cape gooseberry, and these are waiting to be sent. No, they're not. They're spares, and they're spares as well. More herbs down the bottom. All over the shop, guys, this one. Tomatoes, any tomatoes down here are for sale. They're for sale. Courgettes, they're all showing now. 3 different types there. I'll put the names up in a minute. Oh, I have got some more flowers. I have to sort them out then. The oregano, cuttings there still sweating away in there, nice and humid. Nothing from the lettuce yet. No. Of them, I'll go around with a spray in a minute and spray this lot. Some more peas there. And more herbs here. There we are. Brilliant. Okay, here we are downstairs Vitabog. These are all tomatoes for sale, as you can see by the labels there with an S on them. I shan't show you the upstairs one. It's exactly the same, except it's got my tomatoes in it. And it's as full as this as well. So I've got too many, and what I'll do, I'll plant what I need, and then I'll release the others for sale, so to speak. There we are, guys. That's it for the 28th of April. Take care. Catch you next week.